Okay, we're now going to go through how to complete task one. Task one is to create an effective way to display how much a trip costs. So on our data page, we've got a list of teachers down here, and over here we've got the prices. So I need to find a way where I can select which teacher I'm talking about, and then it tells me how much they've paid. First thing we need to do is to sort all this information alphabetically. So to do that, I'm going to click on the one, that will select the top row. I'm going to click data and create a filter. This gives each column these filter buttons. If I click on this one here, column A, I can sort A to Z. Now this isn't just going to sort this one, it knows that this table, all the information is linked. If I click sort A to Z, you should see the whole thing change so that we've got A's at the top and Z's at the bottom. There we go. Okay, doing that helps us in our next step. What I want you to do is go to the analysis page and create something that looks like this. Task 1, teacher email, price paid. What I'm going to do now is make a nice drop-down menu where we can pick or choose the teacher we're talking about. So I click in cell A3. I'm going to go to data, data validation. I'm going to say that the list is from a range, and of course the range is column A on the data tab. If I click this, I can go and find that information. So select a range, data. I click here on the A, it selects the whole column. There you go. I could, if I wanted to, write data, exclamation mark, A2 to A999. That would capture the same information. But this should work. Now I click save. If I look on the analysis page now, there's a drop-down menu. When I click there, you should have a list, all the items in column A. Let's just select one. Okay. The column width isn't large enough, so we've discovered if we double click there, it should drag it out to what we need, but I could give myself a bit of spare room by dragging it myself. Okay, if I know I'm going to look for this teacher, I need this to be the price that that teacher paid, and I need this cell to change depending on what teacher I've got in there. So in this cell, I'm going to write a formula. Formula is equals, because that's how you start every formula, and I'm going to use the term v-lookup. As I write it, it's predictive. I can click it if I want. So it's asking me for 3 bits of information. The search key, what it's going to search for, is going to be whatever is in this cell. If I click, it should write A3. Now I need a comma. Now it's asking me for the range. If I click on data, and I'll tell the system where the range is to look up the name. So there's the name. I know I'm also going to need this column over here. So I select all of the columns, press comma, and now it wants to know which index. What this means is which column do I want to show the answer for. So I just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I put 12 in there, close it with a bracket, press enter. Hopefully there's the correct answer. I can test this by clicking here, changing the teacher name, and seeing if it brings up a different, hopefully correct, price paid. There you go.